Hello guys, today we're talking about the Asus TUF Gaming VG27AQ5A, a monitor that really makes you rethink what a mid-range gaming display can offer. From the moment you power it on, it feels like Asus aimed for a smart balance between gaming performance, visual quality, and everyday usability. This isn't just a screen made only for esports. It's built to feel just as comfortable for work, browsing, streaming, and creative tasks, which is something a lot of gaming monitors struggle to deliver. One of the biggest strengths of the VG27AQ5A is its IPS panel quality and color performance. You get wide viewing angles, consistent brightness, and rich colors that look natural instead of washed out. In games, this means environments feel more alive, with detail that pops without looking overly saturated. Whether you're exploring open-world landscapes or playing intense shooters, the visuals stay immersive and clear. That same color consistency also makes it great for movies and everyday media use, giving it versatility beyond gaming. The monitor also hits a sweet spot with its 27-inch size and QHD resolution. Compared to standard 1080p, QHD looks noticeably sharper, but it doesn't demand extreme GPU power the way 4K does. That makes it an ideal middle ground for gamers who want crisp textures and clean edges while still maintaining smooth performance. It works well for competitive multiplayer where spotting details matters, and also for story-driven games where visuals pull you into the experience. Overall, the Asus TUF Gaming VG27AQ5A stands out as a well-rounded display that combines strong color, sharp resolution, high refresh gaming features, and everyday flexibility into one cohesive package. If you want a monitor that feels like a true upgrade without locking you into one narrow use, this is a choice that's easy to recommend and hard to outgrow.